Hey guys, so today we're gonna be installing the DEF filter on a Volvo VNL 780 2017. This is the DEF filter, which I got it at Volvo for $85. And then this is the DEF neck filter, which was $54 at Volvo. Here we go. We'll start by taking off this panel right here. Okay, so every time you work on a truck, we want to go ahead and turn off the power. So there's a switch right there, a knob. Boom. So if you see it, power is off. We don't want to get electrocuted or create a short circuit. So right now, since we got these chicken lights on the side, we have to remove this wire, that other wire from the other side right there, and then this hook to remove this whole panel. And we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like after we remove this panel from the Volvo. Now the DEF filter is located behind the DEF tank, so we're gonna have to be getting under there, and we'll show you where the DEF filter is at. Okay, now we're under the truck, and this is the DEF tank, and that is where the DEF filter is located at. So we already went ahead and loosened it up, which it is a 27 millimeter, but it's best to use a socket because the adjustable wrench kind of sucks for all the teeth that it has, and we'll show you in a little bit. But I got my handy dandy trusty wife right here, gonna do all the work. All right, so we loosened it up already. Go ahead, babe, take it out. There you go. That's the cap. So a little bit might drip out at the beginning, but don't worry. I thought it was gonna be like the whole DEF tank, but it's not. So right now there's a rubber piece that's in there, which we are going to take out, and you'll see real quick. Go ahead and just try to see that rubber piece. Yeah, just go ahead and pull it down. Yep, there you go. And she's going to take it out. Yeah, so that rubber piece right there holds actually the filter, which is over there. Now put that away. Now the brand new filter will come with this tool that will help you remove that filter. So what you're gonna do is just stick in the tool through the center.
Center.
Yeah. Now go all the way in, and then now pull out slowly. Well, no, yeah. Go ahead, keep on pulling out. Out. There you go. Right there, it locks.
Oh, so maybe this side.
Yeah, where it locks at. Now pull. Well, there you go. And that is the DEF filter. Look how dirty it is compared to the new one.
And it drips a little bit.
Yeah,
not
just
too
drips
much.
a little bit. I thought it was gonna drip the whole tank, but no.
This could go bye-bye.
Yep. So the brand new DEF filter comes with that piece. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the piece. Yeah.
Grab it from here?
Yep. Basically, it just goes in as one piece.
Okay.
All together, babe. With two hands. Yeah. Now push in through the bottom. Wait till it clicks over. Did it click?
Yeah, that one clicked.
Okay. Now, is everything in there?
Oh, this rubber one.
Does it still want to come down?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and grab the cap, which is right there, and then kind of like put it on there.
With it?
Yep. And that's basically it, guys.
I changed the filter.
And yeah, obviously we're gonna go ahead and tighten that cap, and then basically do everything in reverse. Put everything back, turn on the power. Obviously don't forget to turn on the power. You're gonna think something went wrong. But
Oh, remember it was dirty when we opened this, so you got to clean it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's pretty much it. Okay, so we just finished installing the DEF filter that we were under there. We just came back out, and now we're gonna install the DEF neck filter, which is located right there under the cap. Go ahead and open that up, baby. Okay, so if you see, guys, it's literally right there. So you just need needle nose pliers. You can see on both of the sides, she's gonna go ahead and stick those in there, and that's it. You gotta squeeze, obviously, and then it has two little clips. Oh, it has two little clips on the sides. I'll release the pliers. That just, when you squeeze together, it comes off. And it's an easy installation. All right, I'll go ahead and grab that one. Take it out. Now it does got some words saying do not remove to fill. So obviously that part will go on the bottom.
I could just put it in.
Oh, yeah. Just put it in. Just make sure it's leveled there, and literally all you gotta do is push it in if you want with your fingers and just hear the snap. Boom. That's it. My mechanic. And there you go. So we replaced the DEF filter and the DEF neck filter, and that should be it on this part of the truck. And then before anything, we'll go ahead and turn on the power, which is to your left. Well, righty-tighty, so yeah, there you go. Power is back on, and just watch the video, I guess, in reverse to put back the panel, and that's it. All right, guys, till next time.